Welcome to the Temp-Taker 3 video training series. This video explains the Take Temps calendar-based programs section of the software. This particular setting is most often reserved for when an organization's menu options are vast and normally change on a daily and/or weekly basis. Many times this is referred to as a cyclic-styled menu and is most commonly seen in educational and healthcare-related food service settings. The reason why calendar-based programming is an advantage in this situation is because it allows the Temp-Taker's users to navigate more efficiently through the handheld unit's menus in locating the program items they are looking to temp. Activating this style of programming means that you will now instead and/or in addition see a list of calendar dates on the device instead of just program names to choose from. Each calendar date is actually specific programming, condensed down to only the food and questions that need to be recorded and/or tracked for that day only. Again, this is extremely beneficial if you have an ever-changing menu developed from a master list of hundreds, if not thousands, of items to have to choose from. To activate this programming style, first navigate to the Programs tab within the Take Temps section of the software. Once there, click on the drop-down toggle at the top left of the page titled Program Options. Now, off to the right, we will click on the Advanced Options button to open a new window with a variety of additional toggles to choose from. Click on the second box down titled Enable Calendar-Based Programs. Click Save to exit this window. Immediately at the top of the screen, you should see an additional tab appear called Calendar Programs. Once you have clicked on this tab, you should now be presented with what appears to be a digital calendar layout, with a few additional controls in the top left-hand portion of the screen. The first section to review is the drop-down toggle called Auto Load Programs. When clicked upon, you will see a variety of options that define how many days' worth of programming would be available in your handheld unit once synced with the software. ITD Food Safety strongly recommends choosing the option of today plus 30 days. As it provides a safety net to locations that do not sync their units often enough. Although other options available here would allow for a slightly more condensed navigational experience on the handheld device, choosing one does run a greater risk of not having the correct or most updated menus available in your units for your staff. Directly under this area, located within the gray-colored title bar, are your controls for navigating from month to month when programming. The left and right arrow buttons move you forward and backward in time, while the center button provides a pop-out custom calendar for quicker movement to your desired date range. When you are ready to begin programming, simply double-click your mouse pointer into any one of the available dates and a new window will appear. Although this window will look different from what you are used to seeing, the programming is identical to how you would design a regular program within the Programs tab in the software. For more information about how to create a program, please watch the training video that corresponds with your selected process style. Once you have created a program, you can then either create additional programs on the same day and/or copy and paste your designs into future dates where these menus fall back into rotation. Please note, as of version 3.5.76 of the Temp-Taker software, the calendar programs cannot be reordered by clicking, holding, and dragging like other fields within this software. To reorder the programs to your liking, copy and paste your programs to a different day on the calendar, delete the programs on the current day you are working on, and then copy and repaste the programs from the temporary holding day into the order you desire on the actual day where they belong. To copy and paste programs, you have varying options. For single programs, simply right-click on the program you wish to copy and choose Copy. A right-click of the mouse in any other date within the calendar will provide you with an option to paste the program. To copy entire days or weeks at a time, simply perform the same right-click in the light gray title bar that displays the date. Choose Copy, and then perform the same right-click in the same light gray areas on the week you wish to transfer to. Then choose Paste. Lastly, you may notice your programs you've created showing up with their names in one of two colors, either a faded light gray or in a green color. When the program names are in green, that means this program will be loaded into the unit upon syncing and is active per the rule set chosen in the Auto Load Programs drop-down menu. But when they are in the light gray color, that means the programs are created and saved into position, but will not be loaded into the unit for availability due to these parameters. This concludes the training video on the Take Temps calendar-based programs section of the software. For additional questions, please email info@itdfoodsafety.com or call 321-676-3194 to reach a technical support representative.